Welcome back to Blizzard Abroad, and welcome to Bianca's Garden Apartments here in beautiful Boracay. So today I'm gonna give you a tour of the Vista Loft apartment. This is where I stayed during my trip. Before we get inside, I do have to mention that these steps leading up to the apartment will be a challenge, especially if you have mobility or health concerns. So if that's something you need to consider, this may not be the best day for you, but if you're up to it, then we'll go ahead and we'll take a look inside. I will be revealing how much I paid for this at the end of the video. So as soon as I step inside, you can see straight through the living space onto the balcony. Beyond that, there's a stunning view of Lugutan Beach. This is the quiet side, more secluded side of the island. It's away from the crowds of White Beach, but it's still close enough that you can enjoy everything that Boracay has to offer. You know, in fact, it took me probably about 8 minutes to get to the white sands of Station 3. So you don't have to worry about that. It's secluded, quiet, but close enough to get to the excitement if you want. And that is exactly how I like it. Now, stepping into the main living space in the kitchen area, you can see it's well equipped. You got a good countertop. If I turn back towards the entrance, you get a full view of the space. The apartment is spacious, it's open, it's filled with natural light. It's actually bigger in person than it looks on camera. Go back that way. I'm gonna turn back that way. Hey, now stepping onto the balcony, this is where you really feel the charm of this place. Get a full view of, the view of Lugutan Beach. If I pan just left, then you catch a glimpse of the sunset on White Beach. It's a peaceful and quiet retreat. It's perfect for unwinding. All right, so now we'll head upstairs to the loft bedroom. As you can see, the sliding doors give the place a unique feel, somewhat reminiscent for me of traditional Asian design. And just to be clear, I want to make sure I'm using the term Oriental and it's not offensive to anybody, but that is the vibe I get here. You know, Up here, you have a nice, big, comfortable bed, plenty of closet space. It does have a personal safe for your valuables. This is the only air conditioned space in the apartment, but the AC is quiet, it's efficient. Downstairs you do not need an AC because you are going to get the cool ocean breeze steadily flowing throughout the whole apartment. All right, back downstairs in the kitchen area, like I said, you'll find everything you need to cook your own meals. There's a four-burner gas stove, plenty of cookware, plenty of utensils, pots, pans, coffee maker, toaster oven, a rice cooker. So whether you want to make a full meal or you just want to heat something up quick, they've got everything covered. All right. So now let's take a look at the bathroom. This space to me has a bit of a spotlight feel, but I'm not a fancy person, so it's gonna have the spotlight feel for me. With the bowl sink, with the rainfall shower, the bidet. The water pressure is solid, and yes, of course, there is hot water here. So something you definitely, if you're a Western, it's something that we want. We want warm water, at least warm water. So, and that's gonna wrap up, the tour of Bianca's garden Vista Loft apartment. For me, I don't usually do rankings, but I will give this a very high ranking because it is exactly what the camper, you know. So I paid $204 for 3 nights here. That breaks down to 68 a even more enjoyable. So if you're looking for something off the beaten path, but still close enough to the action, this might be a solid option for you. So let me know what you think in the comments section. And if you stay here before, share your experience. If you'd enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more